Hey folks, it's Ben Taylor here at PS Tutorials, and it's a very special Minute Monday today because, as you all know, it's 2018. So a very happy new year to all of you. I hope it's a prosperous one and you get everything from the year that you desire. Today, in 1 minute, we're going to brighten this beautiful portrait shot. We're going to do this by using one fantastic adjustment layer in Photoshop. Where is this adjustment layer? Well, let's come up to Image at the top, and then when we've clicked that, come down to Adjustments. Go across from Adjustments and all the way down to Shadows and Highlights. We don't want to focus on highlights, just the shadows. Let's push up the amount slider to start with, and this will increase some light and brightness into the shadows. Next, let's move on to the tone slider and push that up as well. And then thirdly, onto the radius slider. Now you can then move the sliders around to get it exactly where you want it. Let's have a look at the before and the after. Straight away we've made a massive difference to the image. It's almost too easy. Now also we've got this adjustment here, which is the colour adjustment. You can move this up and down to add or decrease the amount of colour in the image. This is the before and the after. Click OK. So in just 1 minute we've made such a huge difference to this image. It's incredible, I know. Anyway folks, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Follow us on Facebook or subscribe to us on YouTube for more and more videos every single week. Whatever you're doing today folks, have a great day. See you again soon.